I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video I'll try to do the proximity sensor testing on this MI Linux device after the recent update. As you can see friends, so it is a MI Linux device, and recently the Miui 12.5 update has been arrived for the MI Linux users, and a lot of users did ask me to do a couple of videos, and out of those one video is that asking me to test the proximity sensor issue. Is it got fixed or not? So that's what this video is about friends, and I'm trying to do plenty of throttling test and anode benchmark test and different performance tests as well, so make sure to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. So let's see whether the sensor got better in this phone or not. So that is what I'm trying to test in this complete video. So before, in one video which did demonstrate the sensor test, it's not working that consistently in this phone. So that is I did use this kind of application, which is a sensor test application, so which is a proximity. As you can see friends, this is a proximity sensor testing which I'll try to do here. So let's see whether the proximity sensor will it got fixed or not after the update. The only thing in this MI Linux is that there's a drawback with the hardware itself, not with the software. The reason why I'm saying is because there is no separate proximity sensor present in this phone. So there is no separate proximity sensor. So there is accelerometer sensor. So whenever you try to raise your phone upside and when your ear comes close to the phone, then the proximity sensor will be activated. As you can see here, it's activating clearly, as you can see friends. So before, in my testing, what I found out is that this light sometimes it getting froze and it's not working consistently. That is what I did observe before in one of my video testing. So in the live demonstration as well, it did happen live, but right now I'm trying to close and open. As you can see, the light is kind of closing and oning. As you can see, off and on it's going. But one thing is that there's a little bit kind of latency and delay will be there definitely by using this kind of accelerometer sensor and rising up the phone, so instead of actual present live sensor. So right now I can give you a live demonstration between this OnePlus 8T, which has a live which has proximity sensor hardware as well, which is present in the phone. I'll try to compare the live demonstration, so maybe you might be able to understand much better. As you can see friends, there's a proximity sensor present on the top near the speaker. So that's why every time you keep the finger, it's turning off and on, but there is no proximity sensor. So these are kind of hardware differences there, but maybe the after the software update little bit got fast in terms of detecting the proximity sensor. That is what I can observe. So let me try to quickly turn off the lights and show you the difference more. So right now both phones are completely off. As you can see, the screen is off, so you will be able to see the proximity sensor when I try to lift. As you can see, it looks like the notification panel, but it's not the notification panel. So it's not the notification light, sorry. As you can see, it's a proximity sensor, it's blinking over here, which is present, but there is no proximity sensor which is present on this MI Linux device at this point. There is no in-display proximity sensor as well. So here's a quick live demonstration which I'm going to do friends by calling, so from this MI Linux device. So let's see whether the proximity sensor issue got fixed or not. So that's what, because in my previous testing in the live demonstration, there's a problem with the proximity sensor, it completely froze. But let's see whether that problem will be happening now or not. So I'm trying to call a number and let's see friends what will happen. As you can see here, so let me try to show you. So there's no problem with the touch, so touch is not activated at any moment, as you can see here. So I'm trying to call the number and there's no problem at all. I think the proximity sensor problem might be solved with this kind of update. So that is what I'm hoping for. So let me try to quickly call again and check what is going on. As you can see here, there's no problem. For me, it looks kind of fine. In my previous testing, when I'm trying to demonstrate you, the phone screen got completely froze. And even now I'm not trying to press any kind of lock screen as well during this time of demonstration. The lock screen is completely here, so there's no finger at all. So overall, I think the proximity sensor issue got a little bit kind of fixed after the Miui 12.5 update. And in case if you're still feeling this kind of problem, so make sure to comment below. And one more thing, so there is proximity sensor issue for some users with the WhatsApp application. So that is what some other users are complaining on the WhatsApp as well. But I'll try to test the WhatsApp. In case if you want me to do, definitely make sure to comment below friends. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description, and always stay tuned. I'll try to keep you posted what is going on with this phone. And recently one thing is that I did find out that CPU throttling is completely best and alright in this phone, and that video is going to come very soon, so make sure to check that video in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.